Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor. Today's date is 17 October. The topic of this video is strings are immutable in Java. Strings are widely used in a Java programming language. It is nothing but a sequence of a character which can be any alphanumeric value. In Java, these strings are treated as an object. There are two ways to create a strings. First is using the literals and second is using the new keyword. Using the literal way, the syntax is as follows: a string keyword, then a reference variable is equal to, and in double quotes, the alphanumerical data which you want to add. Using the new keyword, these strings are created as follows. First is a string, then object reference variable is equal to new string, and in parenthesis double quote, the strings or data which you want to add. So when the string is created using this literals way, the string is stored inside the SCP memory area. We had already discussed that SCP, that is string constant pool, is a dedicated memory slot or memory space for strings which is present inside the heap memory area. When the string is created using this new keyword, the object of this string is stored inside the heap memory area, and the copy of the string is stored inside this SCP memory area. Now here the immutable concept comes into a picture. Immutables means unchangeable. For example, we created one string using the new keyword, like string a is equal to new string welcome. So the string welcome will be stored inside the SCP memory area, and the object a will be stored inside a heap memory area. Now we want to perform some changes into the string as a concatenation. A is equal to a dot concat java. So after performing this operation, our new string will be welcome java. But here the catch is, instead of this concatenation operation will not overwrite our previous string, that is the welcome string. So the welcome string in a SCP memory area will be as it is. After performing the concatenation operation, the welcome java, this is a new string, will be created inside the SCP memory area, and at the time of operation we assigned we assigned this reference of this new concatenation string to a reference variable. So this our a reference variable will now point out to this new string. But in memory area, the both the string will be separated. So in similar way, whenever we perform the new operation on a string, the new string will be created and the previous string will be as it is. This is because of the immutable feature. So why these strings are made like that? Why it is made as immutable? Whenever we create whenever we create a string, so the Java or the JVM first scans the SCP memory area whether the string is previously present inside this SCP memory area or not. If it is not present, then then JVM will assign the new memory inside the SCP to this new string. If it is present, then rather than creating a new memory space, JVM will pass the reference of this old string to this new reference variable. So in this way, the both the string will point out to the same string. For example, we created a one string using the literals way. String city 1 is equal to Pune. Then again we created the second string as a string city 2 is equal to Pune. Now this second time JVM will scan that whether this Pune string is already present inside this SCP or not. Now in this case it is already present or already created. So rather than creating a new space, the JVM will assign the reference of this previous string to this our new cities 2 string. Again we created a third string, string city 3 is equal to Pune. Now in this case the all three strings will point out to the same string. For time being, let's assume that our string is mutable. That means we can perform the changes in our string. Now we perform the concatenation operation using this city1 reference variable. So city1 dot concat is equal to Mumbai. So after performing this operation, the string will be Pune Mumbai. But here the problem is city 2 and city 3 both the reference variable are referring to the same string. So because of this concatenation operation, the city 2 and city 3, this both the string will be affected. So to avoid this problem, strings are made as a immutable. So every time you perform some operation or new operation, the new string will be created and the old string will be as it is. So the advantage of this immutable feature is it saves the memory area, because for example, the 10 persons are referring to the same string, then rather than creating a new memory space for 10 each person, this string, one string will be common, and its reference will be shared among these 10 persons. And to avoid the ambiguity of the changing the affecting the one person's operation to the another person, the strings are made as immutable. And that's all with the strings are immutable in Java. Thank you.